Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a bungalow that consists of 3 bedrooms supported by 2 bathrooms. It is located at Ward Avenue in Mandeville. The floor space is approximately 3,000 square feet. The master bathroom is ensuite and boasts a hot tub. In addition, there is a separate living area and dining room, kitchen, washroom, and storeroom. There is an additional room which can be used as a study or an additional bedroom. Downstairs, with access from the bungalow and with its own entrance, a cozy 1 bedroom flat. There is also a 2-car garage with electronic gate. The property is 0.56 acres, with the bungalow positioned such that there is a big front yard as well as a big backyard. Call today to arrange a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 50 million, US 316.9 thousand, Canadian 453.6 thousand, or 246.3 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.